Hello everyone, my name is Foxer19. I gotta reset my timer. And we are back at, well, I never left, but we're back at Stranded? No, what is it called? The thing that the title says. I am still here at this place. I see Bambi in the distance. But, I'm recording my second episode of Deep Forest? Dark Deep? Come back here! There's a lot of trees cut down. So... Alright, last time I just got in, I got killed by a wolf, and then I came back, and... yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try this way. I wish there was a way I could figure out, one, like, if I had, like, the watch thing or something that I could use to, know where I am. Not where I am, but, like, my stats. Because I don't know if I'm... But I guess I just have to listen to my character. She'll say, I'm hungry or cold or something. Which, luckily, I have, like, energy bar and stuff, so that's pretty good. But, either way. Come on. Jump. Wait, can I even jump? Or am I just pressing space for no reason? Is that a wolf? No, it's just but yeah, if any of you can help me with any of this, that'd be great. Trees, more trees. But for right now, since it's just sandbox, it's just survival, so we're gonna test it out a little bit, see how everything is. I'm not quite sure what they've added since they started it, because this isn't the first time I'm actually playing it. Well, yeah, because I'm still playing it from the last one, so yeah. First day I'm playing it, so eventually they'll update it, and hopefully the story will be good. Because I like survival games, but then I also like, you know, good story along with it. Also, I had bought Terraria. I have just gotten Terraria, along with the bundle pack for Shiro and guys, so they can join in. And we're gonna probably play that later on today, or yeah, probably later on today. But there's a lot of deers, but I have nothing to kill them with. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh wait, where's the food? Okay, this is medicine. This is stuff to set on fire, I guess. What is this? What's that? Okay, here's the food. What's this? Herbal tea. I need water for that. Okay. Alright. Right now I need to find my main objective, because that's probably gonna be my base back there, because it's the only place that has a bed. But my main objective, clear cut. Alright. Main objective is find food and hopefully weaponry. Also, I wonder, like, because this is supposed to be the apocalypse, so I wonder if this is supposed to be either a snow tundra or if it's supposed to be, like, you know, global warming froze the freaking earth. Frozen corpse. That is a strange looking corpse.
This stuff will come in handy.
Ooh, this looks nice. Let's see. Ooh, you're much warmer. I'm gonna wear you. Actually, wait, I think all I had was... these are wool socks. Oh, yeah, thin wool sweater. Okay, yeah, so all I had was a thin wool sweater on. That's insane. Am I cold? Calories. Okay. Let me go ahead and... use 500 calories. Let me eat this. I'm not sure what my usual calorie should be. Because, you know, you're gonna burn a lot of calories if you're messing around in the wild. Usually. Go out, Stop playing video games. Go out and watch. Go out and work out. Go play some games. Go do something after this video. But either way, in a world of pure freezing nations. Okay, not going down there. And ooh, backpack. Please don't. Oh, darn. I am. Yeah, no. I wonder if there's avalanches in this. That'd be kind of cool. But I wonder, yeah, I wonder if like it's global warming, like froze everything kind of deal, or whatever. And again, my graphics card, I have this on the lowest setting of graphics so that it runs without lagging. I hopefully will, you know, be able to up the ante on it later on. But for now, this should be good, hopefully. But so it says apocalypse, but then it also says there's planes. Oh. Is there anything up here, or am I just climbing this and going to die? Ooh. This looks like fun. Colder. Okay. Okay, I guess I can't jump over that. I gotta go walk around here. Or maybe there is jump. No, it's not. It's not alt. It's not alternate. Maybe this will be my main base. It's high up, not a lot of predators around, hopefully. Yeah, but then there's also not a lot of game. Hopefully I can find a gun up here. Ooh, okay, there you are. Okay. First aid kit.
This'll come in handy.
Packet of water purification tablets can prevent dysentery. Ooh, a bandage. Okay. What's this? Ooh, it's a knife. Give me that. What are my weapons? Repair. Good quality knife with stainless steel blade and a wooden handle. Repair. I'm gonna use that. Give that to me. No firearms. I don't care. Give me the knife. No. I'm not losing my freaking food. Give me that back. No lamps in inventory. Okay then. That shell. Rifle round. Metal container. Empty. Crap. Also, I kind of like that. Like, it's not like you have to wait till the end. Like, you actually do get.
Best be prepared for anything.
Yeah, grab that. Some firewood. Let me check my weight. Okay, yeah, I'm not even that close. Okay, yeah. Newspaper. Use this tinder. Ooh, a hatchet. Yes. I could so use a hatchet.
I can use this.
One-handed axe, good for splitting wood. Can be used to hack meat in a pinch. Okay, let me. Can I equip you? How do I use you then? Oh, I guess I just go to up to something and okay. You're going back in my pocket. Ooh, beef jerky. Looks like it's getting late outside. Peaches.
Okay.
Grab some beef jerky. Is there anything else here? Alright, what time? Wait. Can I turn on the radio? Aw. Let me. Start a fire in here. get all nice and warmsy cozy in there. You know, nice and warm and cozy. That way we're all nice and warm. Feel nice and warm on the inside. It looks kind of late in the game. I'm gonna, you know, get a little rest. I like it so far. It's pretty fun. I do like how mostly it's just nature coming to kill you now. Although that will... Fire starting skill increased by 51%. Oh, there's skills? Holy crap, yes. Okay. Current. Oh, it's only 4 p.m. Okay. Let me sleep for a little bit. I'll sleep till like 12 hours, wow. Maybe I shouldn't have, yeah, I probably shouldn't have done that. Oh well. You know, let me sleep for 2 hours. Even though my character just started and probably isn't that. But let me just, you know, rest for a little bit. Maybe there's something will happen. The sun's probably just going down. The fire's out. Okay, so it doesn't last forever, which is good from a point of the game. What is this? Or was that just the door that popped up? Probably just the door. Oh. Oh, come here, wrench. Not wrench. Wow. Crowbar. Pry bar. Beat up pry bar used for opening locked containers. Okay, good. Finding a lot of good stuff. Empty container. Okay. Oh. I need food. Food. Okay, yeah. 450, 350. Okay, I want to use the stuff that's like that has the least amount. What is that? Okay. That way I can save the others for later on. I shall name you Frozen Land of Mine. I wonder if I can go all the way through there. That'd be pretty cool. It's probably gonna be stupid going out at nighttime. But if anything, I have my two bases, so that'd be good for now. Forestry lookout. Am I running? Okay, yeah, shift is run. I'm just running very fast and I'm going down the hill. That'd be so hefty. And also, it's pretty cool because I don't know, because in the first episode, when I fell, I actually sprained my ankle. Those are my footsteps? Yeah, those are my footprints going up. It's pretty cool. I wonder if there's other people. That'd be pretty cool. Am I still on the second screen? Yeah, probably not the best time to come outside right now. Yeah, I wonder how in-depth this is. Because if I can, like, go all the way out there, that'd be kind of freaking cool. Like, get on top of that mountain over there. Alright, let me try out my axe. Inventory. So I need scrap metal and firewood to prepare it. Okay. Good for splitting wood. Okay. Good quality knife with stainless steel blade, wooden handle. Maybe they haven't added the ability to wield knives yet? I think that'd be somewhat standard. No, I'm not dropping my freaking food. Give me that back. Keep messing with the freaking hotkeys and I keep messing up. Oh no, it's getting dark. Oh crap, I probably shouldn't have went to sleep early. Should I head back? No, I'll head back to the camp over here. And then go in that direction. QRF. Green tab? Oh! Fatigue. Cold. Thirst. I'm very thirsty. Okay. It's good to know. Air temperature. Celsius feels like -4 Celsius. Wind chill. Clothing warmth 6. Okay. You have survived for 6 hours. Great. Start a fire. Okay, okay. That's good to know. Okay. Log, bedroll, forage. Forage wood. Okay, so I don't actually... Okay, yeah. Okay, so I don't actually need U-Forge Tinder Plug 1. So I actually don't need to... Okay. Oh, I think frozen water would do... No, not me. Okay, do I have anything to drink? That's probably gonna make me thirstier. Okay. There's gotta be water around here somewhere. Also, sorry if my camera's a little, you know, laggy, but, I'm not sure why that it does that. I need to find a new video face recorder program, because I'm using, I think, Windows Movie Maker. Oh, fudge you! Is that another wolf?
Oh, I would do anything for a drink right now.
Sorry, but I can't really drink anything right now. Logging camp. Okay. 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 Oh, fudge me. It's a lamp? Oh.
I'll take it.
God bless. Oh, I didn't check this one. Can I start up the lamp? Or I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need... Okay. I don't have any kerosene. Great. Alright. We're way over time. So, let me just check this.
Could end up being useful.
Okay. Let me check. Alright, I got a wool cap on. Can I put 2 on? Where? No. Okay, that's actually less. That's less. Okay, yeah. Okay. Then, let me grab this.
This stuff will come in handy.
Okay. Let me go ahead and rest. It's 7 p.m. Let me sleep till like 6. And we'll end this video episode here. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Foxer9tail. Please check out all my other videos. 18 hours survived. Okay. Dehydrated, yeah. Please check out all my other videos. I hopefully will be able to find water later on. If you could, leave me some things in the comments below. Tell me what I need or what I could use. Because, you know, she's kind of dehydrated. I'm kind of dehydrated. We're kind of screwed at this point. But either way, thank you for condition 78%. Yeah. But either way, thank you very much for watching. My name is Foxer9tail. Please check out all my other videos. Help me! And we'll see you later. Hello, my name is Foxer9tail. Welcome back to Nuclear Throne. We are back where I last left off. Dying horribly. What? Stop streaming? Welcome back, everyone. My name is Fox and I'm James, and welcome back to Saints Row 4. We